Hello everyone, welcome to Chartered Forex channel. In this video, I want to talk about world economic forum. We answer this question in this video. What's the impact of this forum on the market? What's the impact of that on over trading? Does this forum give us an insight about investment during this year? Famous people such as the president and ministers, leaders in technology are present in this meeting, and all spectrum are covered. Also, we answered this question: that are the effects on the economic short term or long term? We must know what are the problems and concerns of the world and what are the trends of the world, such as artificial intelligence. All of these have an impact on the market. For example, when the French president expressed concern about geopolitical effects, this issue definitely affects the general state of financial markets. Another discussion about artificial intelligence is by CEOs of startups, founders and companies in the technology sector, which give us a perspective of artificial intelligence. In this case, special attention should be paid to companies that are active in artificial intelligence and companies that are recently active in artificial intelligence. These have the possibility of growth. When an influential person in the world expresses concern about the geopolitical situation, this issue has an impact on Forex and directs the flow of cash towards safe assets. Or when concerns about climate conditions such as green energy and the environment are expressed, how does it affect our investment decision? You should find the ETF of those companies that are active in the field of green energy and invest in them. These concerns have a direct effect on hot topics and an indirect effect on future topics. So pay attention to the key points in the meeting and also pay attention to the details of the speech. In this case, you can know what to follow for the rest of the year. But what happens to commodities is the reduction of fossil fuel to protect the environment. This issue affects the demand for oil and its price and gives us a perspective. The price of oil shows the inflation expectation of a country, and this affects the central policy of that country and consequently the currency of that country. Another issue is about the commodity of replacing silver in the industry. Silver is used in green energy. So we should find the companies that are active in silver commodity and invest them. Thanks for watching my video. Be successful and profitable. Don't forget to subscribe me.